Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable mark block sender in the mail app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on mail. Next in here, scroll down and then tap on block sender options. At the top here, tap on mark block sender. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When it is switched on, you can choose which actions to take. You can leave it in the inbox or move to trash. And that's it. So select an action and finally you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.